So let me invite our dear leaders to join us in flagging of this very important road for the development of this kingdom and the entire Ekpe and Orashi area. Thank you, and God bless you.
Sergeant, I will say.
James.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I respectfully invite one whose sustainable and impactful projects and infrastructures can be seen and felt in the urban, suburban, and rural areas of the state. The doing of infrastructure, the Governor of River State, His Excellency Nyesom Ezewan Wike, PON GSSRS Life Bench.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of River State, the distinguished Senator representing River Southeast, Senator Bernarda Piggy, the former Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Chairman of our party, Deputy Speaker of the State House of Assembly and members of Assembly that are here, traditional rulers of River State that are here, particularly the Ihugbodo, the third, and members of the Council of Traditional Rulers that are here, former Chairman of Party and DG of River State PDP Campaign Council, members of State Executive Council, Chairman of Ahoada East and Ahoada West local governments that are here, our dear beautiful women and our dear cultural entertainers, Mekano. Oh, cho. Let me sincerely apologize that you have been waiting here since 10:11 for us to be here to flag off this very important occasion, which is the flag off of Ogbo Ihugbodo Road. I had my brothers, two governors for Akwa Ibom and the Benue that had to see me before I had to leave. So it is not in our tradition to keep our people waiting, knowing fully well that today is the last day for the year 2022. By the grace of God, all of us will see tomorrow, 2023. I was here last time, precisely not more than 2 weeks ago, like the Ezekbe said, to commission the first phase of dualize Ahoada or Road. Ordinarily, I should be taking my break, resting to prepare for tomorrow. But I said, whatever it takes to satisfy my people, we will do it. And so for us, there's no public holiday until we leave office in May 29, 2023. Like I said when I came here for campaign, that I will do all I can within my powers to improve on the infrastructure, not just in Ebe Kingdom, not just in Orashi, but in the entire River State. And that is what we are doing. By the time we leave office, in fact, as we are coming, you can see the difference that Ebe, which has been an old division, is coming back to what it's supposed to be. By the time these other roads are completed, anybody who comes to Ahoada will indeed know that a lot has changed, that development has come to Ahoada, development has come to Ebe, and that all of our governance is confidence, is trust, right? When you make promise to people, you fulfill the promise or promises you have made. I can attest to the fact our administration in this state, we have not disappointed the people of Ebe. Have we disappointed you? Have we disappointed you? Is there anything I told you I would do I have not done or I have not started doing? That is all about governance. So I'm happy. I can come to Ebe Kingdom any day, anytime, without being afraid. So I also believe when I speak to you, you will also hear me. Isn't that true? Because you know I will not deceive you. Because you know your welfare, your interest is my interest. Because you know I will not be where anybody will talk evil about Ebe and I shut my mouth. Would that be possible? So we must be careful of some of our children running around. When they know they run around will not bring anything other than wasting their time and energy. There was a government before I came, is it not? Was that a government? Did anything happen? Did anything happen? They have started moving around. Some too, I don't know the name of their party. They say your daughter is running for vice. Please, there are things you don't listen to. Do you understand me? There are things you don't listen to. The only party today in River State that you can listen to for governorship election is the People's Democratic Party. Thank you. The only party today in River State that can produce senatorial candidates, that can produce House of Reps, that can produce people like Edison and co, is the People's Democratic Party in River State. How you know? How you get the best? Look at what they are doing. Look at the leadership. People like Chibudom, Siwe, people like all of them sitting together, half of them, all of them. See what I brought to Ahoada is. See what I brought to Ebe. That is how you know those who love their people. It's not amount of money you have. It's not amount of cars you have. It's what have your people gotten. Not be so. Not be so. So please, don't allow anybody to deceive you. Do you understand me? Don't allow anybody to come and tell you stories. Your leaders will tell you and sit down with you as time comes when we're going and tell you what will happen. Do you understand me? When I mean your leaders, I mean proper leaders. Not leaders of personal pocket. Leaders of the interest and welfare of a leaders of interest and welfare of Ahoada East. Those are the people you should listen. Traditional rulers who believe in the growth of a kingdom. Traditional rulers who believe in the growth of Ahoada East. Traditional rulers who will support contracts going on in their kingdom. I thank God the company has said that the community is supporting them, the youths you are employed. But let me tell our youth something. These companies are not oil drilling companies. They are mere companies coming to help to build road. They are not drilling any oil. In fact, most companies will agree, will even pretend let communities disturb them. So they will run away and collect the money and put it in their pocket. Said, Mr. Governor, there's nothing we can do. We have mobilized our equipment. The youth refuses to work. The community refuses to work. That we didn't give them money. And government cannot do anything. The money is gone. Because it is not their fault. So I want to beg you. Look at how we have come all here today. Look at the number. To be happy for the flagging off of this road. I want us also to continue the same way. So that before I leave office, I will come back here and commission this road.
A biggie man, a biggie man. A biggie man, a biggie man. Say, he don't emphasize. A biggie man, a biggie man, a biggie man.
So I'm not known for project abandonment. Project abandonment is not in our dictionary. To the glory of God, come here before we swear in our successor. All of you know our successor, you know? You know our successor. Similarly, Fubara. I hope you know. And you know our deputy, a known professor, a calm, cool-headed woman, Professor Ngozi Mma Odo. You know that? And you know you have to return all the assembly people for me and the House of Reps. None will go to anywhere. Is it not true? Will you divide our vote? Will you vote for us? You are sure? You are sure? Now you are talking well. No, because you have assured me you will vote, I will do something for you now. Today's what? 31st, is it not? Today is 31st. Tomorrow is 1st, is it not? So I want to give you a brand new gift for the new year. That brand new gift will be a gift that will have to put the whole people of Akko together. And therefore, on the 3rd of January, because tomorrow is Sunday, Monday is 2nd, which is public, 3rd is Tuesday, working the Nobiso. By 2 p.m., all the Akko people will come to government house, where we will now present staff of office to Chief Cassidy. So, everybody make it up. So, everything that concern your chiefs, recognitions I have done, so I can go home now and sleep very, very well. So, on Tuesday, by 2, you are there. You know, Cassidy, we are colleagues, we are council chairman. Now he's a traditional ruler. I'm a governor. So, make sure you hold your kingdom well. Make sure, don't allow enemies to come and steal our vote. All the votes will be put in that basket and drive it to where I say you should drive it. Not be so. Not be so. So all the votes will go to the man who has given you road, not so. The man who has recognized you, not so. Will you give to those who have never recognized you? Will you give to those who have never given you road? So I thank all of you. And I know by the special grace of God, Ebe will continue to be in peace. Ebe will continue to shine. Development will continue to come to Ebe land. Wherever I am, I will continue to protect the people of Ebe.